Hey everyone, Mr. Mush here. So, we are going to be making a drawing of cookies on a plate for Santa, since our theme for our episode today is all about cookies. And we got a little Christmas theme in there too, because we're in December. And we're going to draw some cookies on a plate. And we're going to use oil pastels today. Now, oil pastels are like a fancy crayon, but you can blend with them really easy with your fingers. Okay, so let's get to it. So all you're going to need is oil pastels and pencil and eraser. So to get started, we're going to draw a plate, and we're going to draw an oval like this. Okay, and then we're going to draw like a slightly curved line underneath to give it a little bit of form, just like that. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line from the plate all the way to the edge of my paper to show that it's sitting on a table. All right, and then I'm going to draw the cookies. Now I'm going to start with, I'm doing chocolate chip cookies. You can draw whatever type of cookies that you want. And sometimes I'm going to draw cookies not all the way, because I want it to look like the cookies are layered like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw some more cookies up here behind these cookies, and I'm also playing a little bit with perspective. Look how these ones are pointing this way, and then these ones kind of point this way. Okay, so we're playing with perspective just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna make mine chocolate chip cookies. Okay, and you might be saying to yourself, Mr. Mush, where are the chocolate chips? I'm gonna add them with my oil pastels. Okay, and then just to add a little extra fun, I'm gonna draw Santa and an elf in the background. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna draw like a big U for Santa's head. And then I'm going to draw a rectangle for his head. And I'm going to draw a curvy line for his head, like that. His ears. And then I'm going to draw his eyes, get really big, like that. And he's really happy to see it. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of fluff for his beard. And then he's standing right there looking at the cookies. And he can't wait to try one. And then right here, I'm gonna draw a little elf. He's got pointy ears, and a little triangle hat. Okay. Elf is one of my favorite Christmas movies. Okay. He's looking down and he's going, whoa, look at those cookies. I'm gonna give him a little collar. And he's holding on to the plate. There you go. All right, so now I'm gonna use the oil pastels. Now, the oil pastels, like I said, they're like crayons, but not, okay? So I'm gonna take oil pastels, like an oil pastel like this, and then I'm gonna smooth it out with my finger. You can use a piece of paper, okay, but you can smooth it out like this. See how it's smoothing out? Okay, and then I'm gonna take some more blue right here, go around my cookies like this, and smooth it out. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this plate and super fast oil pastel mode, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so now I finished my plate, but now I want to add a little bit of shadow, and my light source is going to come from this way. So I'm just going to take a darker blue, just a little bit, and blend it with this blue. And see how it makes like a shadow, like that? Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit more, just like that, and I'm blending it. And if you feel like it's not blending enough, sometimes adding a little bit of white definitely helps. Just like this. Well, I didn't add white, but okay. And if I want to add some white, I might add some white over here to lighten it up to show where the light source is coming from. Just like that. And maybe, or I could add some yellow to add highlights like that. And it might turn it a little green, but that's okay. Okay, so there's my plate. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my cookies. Okay, so I'm gonna take a brown and do what I just did and blend in each cookie. And then once I blend it in like this, okay, you can take a little bit more, add an outline like that. Then I'm gonna take, let's see, I'm gonna take a black and I'm just gonna take a little bit like this and add the chocolate chips. Now you can blend them if you want. I'm not gonna do that because I think it looks fine just the way it is. And also, if you don't have oil pastels at home, you can use crayons. You just color it in like you would, and that's that. All right. So I'm gonna finish up my cookies, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so my cookies are done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow underneath the cookies right here to give it more form, like this, okay? Because if the light's coming from this side, the cookies are going to cast a shadow, okay? Just like that. And I'm gonna take like a little bit of purple and I'm just gonna put a little bit of a shadow on one side of the cookies like this. Now I'm using purple. You can use whatever color you want for your shadow. I just would not use the color black. Okay, because then that will really smudge up your cookies. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow and I'm just gonna put a little bit of shine on this side of the cookies. Okay, so there's my plate of cookies. And you know what? I wanna just put a little bit of blue right there. Okay, so there's my plate of cookies. So now I'm gonna do my tablecloth, okay? So I'm just gonna do a simple red and white tablecloth. I'm just gonna keep it, I'm gonna do a stripes, okay? So I'm gonna do a red stripe and then leave it blank for white and then red, okay? Because I wanna give it a candy cane feel, okay? And then I'm gonna add some shadows of the plates onto the tablecloth, okay? So I'm gonna do that in super fast mix mode and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so if you see here, I added a little bit of a shadow and I just took the purple oil pastel and I went around and it's casting a shadow on the table. All right, and then I'm just gonna take my thumb and blend it together, okay? Just like this. So it creates that shadow effect, okay? Just like that, okay? Now, if you get some smudges, like, see how like I wanted to do like a candy cane and there's smudges, just take an eraser. For the most part, it should come right off, okay? All right, and then I'm just gonna color in Santa and the elf, and then I'm gonna add some other things in the background. and I'm gonna color it in with my oil pastels. All right, but that's pretty much how you make it. And I'm gonna go in super fast mix mode so I can show you the finished project. So I'll be right back. All right, so there is my picture. I just gotta clean up Santa's beard just a little bit, okay? And there you go, okay? So, and I added some snowflakes in the background, all right? And there is my drawing of cookies. So, please take a picture of your cookies that you made using oil pastels or crayons, whatever you have at home. And I want to see where your light source is and what kind of cookies you made. And I can't wait to see them. So send us an email with a picture of your artwork or tag us on social media. All right. Well, with that being said, I'm going to get ready to move on to our next project, and I'll see you there. Peace.